Hello, good morning students. Today's thought, biology always beats willpower. Okay, and topic is here, next column we are discussing here animal kingdom, or in any animal kingdom we discuss the phylums. Okay, one by one phylum we discussing here. So now today we explain to you about the smallest phylum of the smallest phylum, or this smallest phylum is known as the Ctenophora. Okay, this is the smallest phylum from the all marine animals. Okay, so this is the smallest phylum. Why this phylum is called the smallest phylum? Because these phylums have few genera. Okay, because this phylum consists of few genera, therefore we called it the smallest phylum. Okay, so this Ctenophora word's meaning is here comb bearing, means body bears a comb like structure. Okay, body, suppose this is the round shaped structure, a body bears comb like structure. This is the structure of the Ctenoplana. Okay, this is the structure of the Ctenoplana, organism of the Ctenophora phylum. Okay, so body bears comb like structures. Comb means kangha. Okay, and this Ctenophora word was given by the Ischqualds. Ischqualds given this word. Okay. Second things, these Ctenophora are also known as the sea gooseberries. Okay. These are called the sea gooseberries or comb jellies or sea walnut. Many names are the phylum of the Ctenophora has many names. Okay, so sea gooseberries, comb jellies and sea walnut, that type of names have the Ctenophora. Okay, most important features of this, when sunlight is fall on that organism. Okay, when sunlight is fall on that organism body, then rainbow like structure is formed. Then we observe the rainbow like structure. Okay, or organism of the Ctenophora phylums organism has a transparent body. They are the all organism are the marine organism and they have a transparent, free swimming, transparent, cylindrical or pear-shaped, gel-like, solitary, pelagic. These are the features. Free swimming, they are move, transparent body. Ekdam transparent means the body in which we can see outside of the body. Okay, so transparent means funny like paper, even transparent. Cylindrical shape body, some organisms have the pear shape, so the Ctenoplana is the pear shaped structure, or jelly like or solitary means these organisms live alone, or pelagic means those organisms which float on the surface. So that nature of the Ctenophora organism. Okay, comb like ciliary plates bear for the locomotion. So comb like ciliary, comb like structures is present on the body. They help in the locomotion and also capturing the food. Okay, they have bilateral symmetry. They have biradially symmetry, means they have radial symmetry, and also they have the bilateral symmetry. Both type of symmetry we observe in different organism in this phylum's organism. Okay, and next is the 8 ciliary plates. 8 ciliary plates are present. Okay, this body contains 8 ciliary plates. This like 8 ciliary plates are present on the body. Okay, mesogilia is a middle, means these organisms is a diploblastic animals. Okay, each is all. Yeah. The organism of the Ctenophora have the tissue level of organization, means these organisms have a tissue level of organization and these are the diploblastic animals. These are diploblastic animals, and some organisms are also triploblastic animals, but mostly are the diploblastic animals, means the ectoderm or endoderm layer is present, but few species contain third layer. This is called the mesoglia. Okay, this mesoglia, it's before phylum. They are the not cellular like structure, but in this phylum this mesoglea with a scattered cells and muscles. Okay, that means some species of the Ctenophora are the triploblastic animals. Okay, they have lack of the nematocytes. Nematocytes are not present. These are the stinging cells which are present in previous phylum. They help in the locomotion or capturing the food, but these type of structures are absent here. Special sensory organs are present. These sensory organs are called the coloblast. These special organs are called the coloblast, and this is also called the lasso. Okay, and all organs are the monoecious. Monoecious means hermaphrodite, means male or female organs are present on the same body, so that are the monoecious body. Okay, monoecious means here male and female or male and female organs are present on the same body, so that they are the monoecious organism. And cedipede larva means here some species develop directly or some species develop indirectly. Okay, so larval stage is here also present. This larval stage is called the cedipede. Okay, cedipede larval stage is present here. Most important feature is here asexual reproduction is absent is here. Asexual reproduction is absent is here. Regeneration is common in that type of organism. Or example is here Ctenoplana. Ctenoplana is the example of the Ctenophora phylum, or Biroobota. Okay, this is the, and Archyropsis. These are the example of the Ctenophora phylums. Okay, thank you.